This is the TransAi 3-in-1 phone call translator earbuds. This thing is so next level, literally. So futuristic right out of the box, sleek design, smart display, and impressive functionality packed into one light set. I love the LCD screen on the charging case. It instantly stands out to me. Just love it. Real-time subtitles during a conversation. It's so next level. What I like. Okay, so first what you have to do is you have to read the manual and you have to download the app. If you go on here, there's the QR code. You take the earbuds out. You pair it to your phone using Bluetooth. I had to disconnect it because I'm talking on my phone and every time I open the case, the video shuts off. But you have to pair it to your phone, go in the app, and there are so many options. You have to set the language. You have to set whether it's a phone call, whether it's music, whether it's texting. It is so next level. Once I got it set up and played with it, the screen is, it's just amazing. It's so easy to use. The translation is fast, it's natural, it's impressively accurate. It handled both accents and slang like a pro. This can work for both in-person chatting, phone, video, text, so you're never ever really limited. So the earbuds, the Earhook design, it's so secure yet comfy. No slipping, even while I was walking around the office. Very, very nice. The final verdict. So what I think, these are like so much more than earbuds. They're a personal interpreter, a global call assistant, a music player, all in one. This is so perfect for travel, for business, for anyone who wants to bridge the language gap daily. It's bold, it is practical, and it delivers on its promise. Clear, instant communication with zero barriers. Highly recommend. This review is sponsored by TransAi.